Hey guys, what's up? Have you guys enjoyed our tour of the Souk Dubai? I am sure you did. But did you know guys, that right across the creek, there is another historic market in the name of Souk Deira? Yes, there is. Established in 1850, Souk Deira now comprises a range of markets restored to showcase their original architecture. Souk Deira, just steps away from the Spice Souk entrance, is an ideal shopping destination for gifts and traditional Arabian goods. The market has a variety of goods on offer, including toys, household items, and an array of gifts and keepsakes with the Arabian aesthetic. Example includes trays, spices, perfumes, herbs, shawls, and other fabrics. Here we are guys! Welcome you all to Souk Deira!
I dare you to fix me. I'm crossing the line again, falling on my knees. No stranger to pain, it's never ending, it's only something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Admit that I'm afraid, if I let go of this pain, am I completely betrayed? There's no air left to breathe, I'm drowning.
Kamusta ka? Mabuti. Makanda. Libre. Look. Labs.
Mabuti. Manila. Tawas pergilimang tawas. Tawas pergiligid. Mari kita.
Something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving.
Guys, check out Spiceworld shop in Souk Deira. They have the amazing souvenir items, spices, perfumes, herbs, and many more at very good prices.
Something I can't forget.
Say it again.
Yes. Huh?
Bro,
Take one and say it.
This English name Alam stone, after shape for the blood. This one. For Filipino name, Tawas for Filipino.
Complicitly betrayed my heart, my love, my life.
This different color. You have Arabian style?
And they are from where?
I'm from Afghanistan.
Okay.
Yes, this is Arabic style. Just looking, okay?
Rajasthan.
Just looking this. Looking glass.
And they're made from where?
This from Saudi Arab, Dubai, Misr, Oman. This fruity good for joint pain, Or this one, this turmeric tea. This turmeric tea good for blood pressure normal. This one.
Alright.
This relax tea. This saffron, cinnamon, lavender, pepper mix. This relax tea good for sleeping.
Perfect.
This one. Yes. Or this masala tea. This masala tea good for stomach gas, stomach problem. Yes. What is this? This sandalwood smell.
Wow.
Yes, barley.
Smells so good.
Smell room.
Yeah.
What is this?
Stones.
Yes, this camel milk chocolate.
Alright. Yeah. It's okay. Thank you.
I show you Gigi Baba, just looking. Smell? Smell.
Oh.
This
Really
Arabic
good.
name Chichi Baba, English. This Arabic name Chichi Baba, English name menthol. Good for nose, good for headache pain, good for throat. This cover head and steam. This natural menthol. This put in hot water, just one stick.
And this is the herbs market, guys. I can feel history in this place, guys. Imagine, centuries ago, this is a trading and commercial center of Dubai, and it still exists up to this day. Just amazing.
This one bodyguard. This one bodyguard.
No photo, no
No problem. Bodyguard, bodyguard.
This is. Bolong money. 100 dirhams. Take for the 100.
Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far as the echo, where do we start?
Feel the ambience, guys. I sense and smell history.
Here in the shadows, I know you're scared. Take my hand, together we'll make a stand. We've got to fight to find a way. Dare to fall to find out what to say. No more hate. Just admit that you're just afraid. Time to let go of all your.
There are many gifts and souvenirs out here, guys, that you should get for yourselves.
Don't you hide. We can build a better place. If we can just find a way, then we can live a better day. Rise from the ashes, from the anger, from the war. Let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all, let's build a dream.
And we are off to relax and enjoy the creekside view. Let's do some walking, guys. And this is one of the many floating restaurants in the creek, serving some of the traditional authentic food and drinks.
You're just afraid. Don't you hide. We can build a better place. If we can just find a way, then we can live a better day. 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 Rise from the ashes, from the anger, from the war. All together, wanna know. Let's live
How are you guys doing so far? I know you're just enjoying just like I do.
a better day.
And that brings us to the end of our trips to Souk Deira and Souk Deira. I hope that you enjoy these trips. Please support and subscribe. Watch out for the next adventure. Until next time, see ya!